Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the Journey to Become Wealthy. My name is Kelvin Reed, and today is Monday, another Market Monday. Today was very flat. However, we had some news in the after hours that could turn out to be detrimental for some of the consumer earnings coming up. Before I get too far into it, you guys make sure you like, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so that you get notified when I make videos. So, all right, let's talk about it, right? I'm going to first start with talking about the market. Let's do a recap on the market. Today, the Dow was up 0.28, the S&P 500 up 0.13, NASDAQ down 0.43, that's tech, right? Tech. Russell up 0.6, and the VIX, fear, up, not good at all, up 1.43%, and it is up much higher than any of the others. So you know what that means? Our fear and greed numbers had to come back down. So we were at a 39 the last time we looked, and we are currently at a 38. So only one. It's not too terrible, but it is what it is. It is not good. So that news I was telling you all about, right? Here it is. There, I found this nice little article on CNBC. Stock futures fall after Walmart cuts forecast, says inflation hit consumer spending. Stock futures fall after Walmart cuts forecast. So we know this earnings, right? So earnings is everybody's prediction. Walmart brought down their earnings what they expected because they say consumer prices have gone down. Consumer spending went down. You all also know what that means. We have the GDP data coming on the 28th. What did I tell you that was? It is inflation minus consumer spending, or how the economy is doing. If Walmart, one of the big dogs in the consumer industry, is saying that, hey, we're not making money like we used to, then you can only imagine how that is affecting Target, Kroger, any of the other big consumer markets, right? Any of the other big consumer markets. So, however, we've been seeing tech not doing as bad as we were thinking. We hear the big dog, Walmart, saying, hey, things are not looking good for us. And of course, that's going to affect the rest of the market negatively. So here it says U.S. stocks fell on Monday night after Walmart cut its profit forecast, sending retail stocks tumbling after hours. Dow Jones Industrial Average futures fell by 134 points. That is huge, 42%. So this is after hours, right? I mean, we pretty much probably lost. We lost more than what we gained today. So that's huge, right? S&P 500 and NASDAQ futures fell 0.31%. 0.31% and 0.38% respectively. So SP 500 fell 0.31, down 0.25 as of right now, and the NASDAQ fell 0.38. It was already down, so it's down 0.7%. However, it's still flat. During trading hours, if this news affects the market, we can see these things coming down hot and heavy on the retail side. So you guys keep a lookout for that. It might be some money to be made on the way down if you like to trade companies like that. So you got to keep your eyes on that. While we're talking about this, right, I want you all to get a screenshot of this, right? This is our earnings for this week. Earnings for this week. I know I didn't show this to you today or last night, but as far as I was concerned, in my opinion, these weren't the companies I was worried about, right? On this list, though, are several of the major companies that we really need to take a look at and that could potentially drive the market either up or down. So one way or another. We got Alphabet right here, right? That's Google. We have Microsoft. And we know Google just had their stock split. So this could definitely, for sure, push prices down like crazy because prices already been coming down. We got Alphabet. We have Microsoft. We have Visa. 3 big dogs in the after hours already on tomorrow, on Tuesday. In the morning, we actually got GM, and I believe Ford somewhere, but Ford on here somewhere. And then on Wednesday, we got Meta, which you all know is Facebook, Meta, and that's Ford, on Wednesday after close. And we know Boeing, our air flight, it's in the morning on Wednesday. Another big dog that could potentially drive the market one way or another. And this is just my opinion, right? It's just my opinion, depending on how they report, could drive the market up or down. Thursday, I think we have a pretty solid close with Apple. We have Amazon on Thursday. And then Friday, we end the week actually checking out some of those oil and gas energy companies. So this week right here could for sure push us down, right? Or up. If all these companies come out, knock earnings out the park, we have some good news on Wednesday saying, hey, we only doing the interest rates 75 basis points, no need to go 100, or 100 basis points is 1 full percent, 75 basis points is 0.75%. So if they go 0.75%, that is what was expected. So no FUD being injected to the market. And Thursday, we get better than expected GDP numbers. We could see this market go crazy. We could see a lot of green this week, and that is what I'm hoping for. However, the way this year started, I hate to say it, I'm feeling like things could go bearish. On top of that, you all already know I charted this out, right? I peaked this out here at hitting that 401.72, I believe. We have pretty much touched it. I believe. So I peaked. That's where I peaked this out at. So I'm not sure, right? We haven't hit it exactly yet. It doesn't look like, but we're pretty close. We hit 400.18. At this point, we could see a reject on the spot, which means the other markets, or we could see things come back. And they could go through. If they soar through, I believe it's going to break through, and we're going to see a couple good days. However, if it comes back down, who knows where it will stop. So hopefully we have some good news in the markets this week, and that things just go well for us. So if you're watching this video, make sure you take a screenshot of those earnings for this week, because you can potentially make money on those. I call those lotto plays. Also, make sure you take a screenshot of the chart, because we talked about it, right? I told you I think it's going to top out at 401.72. It's currently sitting at 395.57. So you got to be aware of those numbers, the price. So it has a potential to go up $6 more before I believe it rejects at that point. Or it could potentially just continue to come down from here, because we already got close enough. We got up to $400.18. Fairly close. That will put me about $1 off to the top. And we will see. So that's what I have for you guys. Hopefully you enjoy the video. Make sure you all like, subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so that you get notified when I make videos. And I'll see you guys later.